Hey, Brian here, Sun Control, Minnesota. We're here in sunny Excelsior Bay on Lake Minnetonka in beautiful fall weather here in Minnesota. We are installing window film on this gorgeous Sea Ray yacht behind us, and we wanted just to show you and have you take a look. So come on in. Welcome inside this gorgeous, sporty Sea Ray that we have here. So what we wanted to show you is that the customer wanted to reduce the heat load coming in through all this glass. This upper cabin is air conditioned, but you know, it's still kind of an open area as well and not as comfortable as down below. So we installed Crystalline Series 70 window film to this window and the window behind me. And one thing I'd like to point out is that this window here is not done, this window is done. So what that's saying is that it's a light film. It's letting in 70% of the visible light spectrum, which is keeping it open, airy, and safe to drive. But the film is reflecting up to 97% of the infrared portion of the solar spectrum, which reduces the heat by quite a bit. Roughly around 50%, a little higher. So the windshield is not done yet. You're going to see some footage of Rick and I installing the film on this windshield, which will be quite a task. It's a very large windshield. A lot of boats have a separate window pane configuration, but this is one of the larger ones. Luckily, it's just about big enough for a roll of the film 60 inches. So we should take care of this in one piece. The client's going to be really impressed with how it turns out. So we're excited to show you the rest. Thank you.